Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy JP here. I'm about to replace the spark plugs on my 2014 Audi Q5 2.0. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing this screw right here. Got to take this piece off. Then after that, we're going to be removing each one of these things right here. To remove this, you got to pull this little piece of plastic right up. Once you pull it up, this thing comes off fairly easy. Alright, then once we do that, this whole piece right here should snap right off by pressing this lever right here. Alright, as you guys can see, I have the piece off. Now it's time to remove the coils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this should snap off pretty easy. Just gonna put a screwdriver underneath and snap them off. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I just removed the first coil here. This, like I said, snap off pretty easy. Looks like it's in pretty mint condition, so I'm not replacing the coils at this time, only the spark plugs. Now, one thing you're gonna need to do, as you can see, spark plugs right here. When you take that off, try to replace it immediately with the new one. So I make sure that nothing gets in there. These are the spark plugs I decided to go with. These are the NGK's Laser Platinum Premium. They run about $15 each, so you'll spend about $60 on the spark plugs, but these are the recommended ones for this type of vehicle. Alright, so I have all the coils out. Just gonna clean them up a little bit. Now I'm gonna start working on removing the spark plugs, put the new ones in, and should be all set. Alright, so this is the spark plug I just removed. It's a Volkswagen OEM spark plug. And as you guys know, Volkswagen makes Audi and Porsche. And this is the brand new one that I'm going to be installing. Again, this is the NGK's R. So, and this is pretty much where it's going. Let's continue. Now when you put them on, make sure you tighten them first by hand, and once you get it tight by hand, and then you're going to do it with the wrench. Alright guys, as you can see, all the spark plugs and the coils are back. Now I'm just going to put this connectors back in place, and this car should be running smoothly. Just got to put the screw back on over here. Let's see where the screw went. There it is right here. Now this piece goes right here as well with the screw. Alright, now we're going to give it a test. Go ahead, please. Beautiful. There we go. And that's how you change the spark plugs on a 2014 Audi Q5 turbocharged. Till next time, give it a like and thumbs up.